This could get a little bit embarrassing. Purchased a battery for this car. I'm going to try and get this thing running again and get it road legal, back on the road. And I've purchased a battery. Now every time I go to a website, or even if I go to a store and try and buy a battery, first thing they'll say, or the website will ask, is what's the make and model of the car, or what is the registration plate number. Of course, when I do that, it comes up with a battery suitable for the car, and yeah, I get that, that's all good, except I'd rather get a battery that actually fills the space available under the hood. And also a higher CCA rating, in my opinion, would be a lot better. Now, let's hope this goes in here, because the guy in the store, he said to me, what sort of space have you got? And I said, well, it can go up to 300 millimeters long. And so he measured it and he said that's 300, but I didn't actually have my eyes on it myself. So here we are. I've got my ruler in my hand here, and I'm just going to see what this thing says. It's right on 300, just like the man said. Now, let's hope I got my facts right when I done my measurements. That should fit right in there. And let's hope it does. Perfect. Now, what's not quite so perfect is this lead is not going to reach. So, I'm happy about that. It looks a lot better when it fills the space. I'll have to figure out a bracket to go over that, because New Zealand regulations, this needs to be strapped in, otherwise we're not going to get a warrant of fitness to get it road legal, but that's all good. And got the positive on the right side and the negative is on the correct side. What I mean to say is the positive is on the correct orientation, the negative as well. And yeah, she's close, but not close enough. So what I think I'll do is actually, yeah, I'll probably unbolt all this and then just take it into a shop and get them to recrimp a cable. I could add a bit on there, but it's a little bit dicky, so we'll get that off there, take it into a store and get them to custom make one a couple of inches longer. I'm sure the crimping tool and whatnot for that ain't going to be cheap, and it's not something I'm going to be doing again and again, so we'll do that. But yes, happy about that. I've just found some more blue tack inside, and I'm going to put a little bit of ink on the top of this blue tack. Pretty sure that's going to hit the bonnet, but I really want to know how much space there is between the bonnet and the post. Now push the battery all the way to the side of the car where the post will be most closest to the bonnet, and we'll see what happens. Let's open it up again. Let's see what we got. Let's see if we got some blue ink on the under the hood there somewhere. We do. I can see that it's compressed a little bit, but not that much. I mean, hey, if it was going to get compressed to the point it was going to touch, we're going to see something like this. And we're not. We're seeing miles, so it's going to be good whether the battery is there or there. Cool. Now I'm forcing myself to take videos because I can see there ain't much light there, so the more video I take, the more I can improve on things when we start getting to the nitty-gritty. And so we'll have to look at some lighting next.